Welcome back to the Milk+Blush channel. In this video we're going to be showing you how to achieve a 60s deep side part hairstyle. To start with, you're going to part your hair ready into a deep side part and clip in place. You'll then want to section your hair at the nape of your neck and clip in a 3-clip weft. You're then going to want to clip in your 4-clip weft an inch above this, and then your 3-clip weft, leaving enough hair on top to conceal the clips. Then it's onto the side. Depending on which side you've placed your side part, you'll need to alter the amount of clips you put on the sides. We've placed our side part on the left, so we'll be applying additional wefts to the right, as there will be more hair to blend and conceal. We went for a polished faux blowout with the length 16 to 18 inches. We are using the GHD Platinum Styler, which is curved, making it really easy to create an effortless bend in the hair. This tip creates a faux blowout effect, so you look like you've just come from the salon. Sectioning your hair is hugely important. Even if you're in a rush, we promise you it helps. By not sectioning, you run the risk of missing big sections of hair and will need to restyle at a later time. Take sections about 1 inch or 2 inches wide, run the straighteners over the section, curving it at the end until you get your desired blend. For the finishing touches, we tamed a few flyaways with hairspray sprayed onto a toothbrush and gently brushed them down. Remember to leave us a comment below and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. If you try this look yourself, then tag us on Instagram or send over your videos. We love to see what you can create. If you have any questions or would like us to try a style or video, then please let us know. Have a great day, guys. Bye!